Hello and welcome to Level Up IAS and welcome back to 10-minute series. Today in this video we're going to look at the constitutional development from 1857 to 1909. So let's begin. Government of India Act of 1858. The act was passed to transfer the British power over India from the East India Company, whose ineptitude was primarily blamed for the revolt of 1857, to the crown. It ended the system of double government by abolishing the Board of Control and Court of Directors. The act ended the rule of East India Company and transferred the powers to the British Crown. It created a new office, Secretary of State for India, and established a 15-member Council of India to assist the Secretary of State for India. Indian Council Act of 1861. It was passed to make substantial changes in the composition of the Governor General's Council for executive and legislative purposes. The Act restored the legislative powers to the Bombay and Madras presidencies. It also provided for the establishment of a new legislative councils for Bengal, Northwest provinces and Punjab. Indians were nominated as non-official members for the first time in the Legislative Council of Viceroy. Indian Council Act of 1892. The act was passed to meet some of the demands of Indian National Congress. The size of the Legislative Council was increased. It increased the functions of Legislative Council and gave them the power of discussing the budget and addressing questions to the executive. Indirect elections were introduced for the first time. This is a practice question for you to attempt. I want you to give the answers in the comment section below. Do like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.